Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issues of internal server error, server busy error, 503, 500 errors, request timeout if you are using WordPress website and your websites are keeps on loading and you will get error like 500, 503 like this, and you are not able to open your WordPress dashboard also, and your website setting also keeps on rotating. In this case, what you have to do, I will show it in this video. So first you need to log in your hosting service provider where you have hosted your website. Interface may be changed depending on where you have hosted. In my case, I am locating file manager here. You need to locate for file manager. Under this file manager, you need to click on public HTML. Under that, you need to go for WP content folder. Under that, you need to rename the plugin folder. Right click it and click on rename. You just put -1 and then rename it, and then enter your URL and then hit the enter. Now you see website is working. Only the alignment is not working. Here I am refreshing. Now I am able to log in my WordPress dashboard. Once again refreshing. My website is opening. I am clicking on plugins. There is no plugin is visible now. This process, why we are doing renaming process, because we don't know which plugin is doing issue. So to deactivate the plugins, all the plugins, we need to do this renaming process. After renaming to different name, we need to go to file manager and rename it to original name. It will deactivate all the plugins, but plugins will be there. It will deactivate all the plugins. After this process, you need to activate your plugin one by one. I will activate first Elementor, which I am using for website building, website designing, and then I have Elementor Pro also. I will activate the two, and then I will go to that Ignito mode web page, and then I will refresh. Here my design is came back, which I have designed. Till now there is no issue with this plugin which I have activated. Elementor doesn't have any issue. Now we'll activate next plugin, Jetpack. I think Jetpack is having issue. It keeps on loading. There is nothing is happening. Let's see. Refreshing the page. Here you see this is nothing is happening. It started loading. Now once again we need to do the same process. Or once again we need to go to the file manager. Nothing is working here. We go to cPanel. Under that plugins. Okay, I have renamed and tried one time Jetpack folder, but it is not work. So don't get confused. Jetpack 1 is name is there. Only Jetpack is the name. Okay, I renamed and tried it. It's not work, so I am deleting it. Just right click on that plugin folder and delete it. After deleting, you come to dashboard and you just come to dashboard page and refresh it. I am going to Ignito mode one time and refreshing it. Now your website is working fine. I had an issue with my Jetpack plugin. Now here also you won't find that file. So I will activate one by one plugin and then I will refresh it and I will check it whether my website is working fine. I will do another thing also. I will delete which plugins which I am not using. And then I will check in incognito mode the website is working fine or not. Now my website is working fine. So this is how you can do this process, all this process. If you like this video, if you feel this video is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.